I had never experienced those overlaps of community, of an environmental and a Christian community coming together, and I really, really wanted that.
Creation care. It's not just environmental stewardship. It's securely grounded in the idea that we as Christians have a responsibility to learn about and to take care of the world around us.
To be able to go out on lakes or to a shale pit, just different places, and do lab tests out in the field is something that I've really enjoyed.
To be surrounded by professors who are really, really knowledgeable about all different fields, and even students who come from different areas of the United States with a very broad knowledge base.
God is the ultimate creator of all of the world, and He has developed and imagined every process that works, every organism that works together in an ecosystem. And so by studying those processes and those ecosystems here at Sable, I believe that I am getting closer to the heart of God by studying His creation.
It's a really cool way to get some of the experience that I need for my major, to be able to get the rigorous academic things I need as an environmental science major, but also to be able to do those in the context of fieldwork, of hands-on experience, and of doing that in a community of students and professors who are really dedicated to the work that they're doing.
The church is called to care for and protect the earth. I hope to leave Sable with stronger foundations as to who I am, who God is, and as to what He's calling me to do.